Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Garlic Press. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press is a standout choice for anyone who frequently incorporates fresh garlic into their cooking. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and featuring a sleek nickel plating, this garlic press not only boasts a stylish silver finish, but is also designed for longevity and resilience. Weighing in at a comfortable 8.4 ounces, its balance is just right for effortless crushing. In terms of maintenance, the Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press excels as it is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a busy cooking session. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 24,000 customers. This suggests that the product consistently meets or exceeds user expectations, affirming its reliability and effectiveness. One of the key highlights of this product is its ergonomic rubber handle, which provides a secure grip, allowing users to easily apply the necessary pressure without straining their hands. Measuring at 6.7 inches in length and 1.6 inches in width, the garlic press is compact enough to fit in any kitchen drawer while still being practical for daily use. Food storage containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers are a perfect blend of functionality and elegance, designed to meet all your storage needs. Crafted from durable, BPA-free, crystal-clear plastic, they allow you to see contents at a glance without opening the lid. These containers are 100% leak-proof, thanks to airtight lids with secure latches, making them ideal for soups, sauces, and meal prepping. The stain-resistant material ensures they stay looking pristine over time, even after storing tomato-based dishes. With built-in vents under the latches, reheating food in the microwave is hassle-free and splatter-proof. They are stackable, maximizing space in your fridge or pantry. Dishwasher safe and freezer safe, they make cleaning and storage a breeze. Perfect for portioning meals, they come in various sizes to accommodate everything from snacks to full meals. Designed to last, Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are the ultimate solution for organized and efficient storage. Upgrade your kitchen with these innovative, user-friendly containers. Pineapple Corer. The pineapple corer and slicer from Zule Kitchen is an exemplary kitchen gadget designed to enhance your fruit preparation experience. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions of 9.65 E's into 4.13 Dublin, it not only looks stylish, but also fits comfortably in hand while providing ease of use. Constructed with a triple reinforced stainless steel blade, this corer and slicer is built to last. Its sharp edge effortlessly cores and slices through pineapple, ensuring that you can enjoy perfectly shaped fruit without the hassle of tedious preparation. The durability of the stainless steel guarantees that it maintains its sharpness over time, eliminating the need for constant replacement. Weighing in at just 289 grams, 10.2 ounces, the tool strikes a perfect balance between lightweight and sturdy construction, ensuring it won't tire your hands during prolonged use. One of the standout features is its dishwasher-safe capability, making cleanup a breeze, a significant advantage for busy kitchens. Napkin Holder for Table. The Napkin Holder for Table by Hiwafifi is a practical addition to any dining setting, beautifully merging functionality with stylish design. With its rustic yet modern aesthetic, it fits seamlessly into both casual and formal environments, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. Crafted from durable iron and finished in an elegant black color, this napkin holder boasts a solid and robust construction. The dimensions of 7.1 inches in diameter and a height of 2.5 inches provide ample space for holding napkins securely without taking up excessive table real estate. At just 0.44 kilograms, 15.5 ounces, it is lightweight enough to be easily moved, yet substantial enough to stay stable, ensuring it won't tip over easily when in use. Customer feedback reflects a high satisfaction rate with an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 reviewers. This highlights the reliability and appeal of the product. It ranks notably at number 2 in its category of napkin holders, indicating its popularity among consumers in the kitchen and dining sector. Measuring cup. The Pyrex 3-piece measuring cup set is a fundamental addition to any kitchen, offering a blend of functionality and durability that is hard to match. Made from high-quality glass, these measuring cups are not only resistant to stains and odors, but also ensure precise measurements for all your cooking and baking needs. The set includes 3 sizes: 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup, allowing for flexibility in measurement while accommodating various recipes. One of the standout features of this set is the easy-to-read measurement markings, which are essential for accuracy in cooking. The clear glass construction allows you to easily gauge the contents, and the spouts on each cup facilitate pouring without the mess typically associated with liquid transfer. The solid build of the cups, combined with their ability to resist thermal shock, makes them safe to use in both the microwave and oven, expanding their versatility further. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with a strong average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 58,000 reviews. Customers appreciate the quality of the glass and the thoughtful design that supports everyday cooking. Additionally, the measuring cups rank as the number 2 best seller in the measuring cup category, attesting to their popularity and reliability.